What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it is all about this crypto here called Superfarm, which has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 41% up, making it just above 19 cents per coin. And as you can see, most of the pump wasn't even from the last 24 hours, but I'll say from the last 7-8 hours. Very early this morning it was worth about 13 cents, and out of nowhere major increase here, hitting an 19 cents, and right now fluctuating around that current price range. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it just time to hold on to it over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at what would be the next smart move for this crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website, and as you can see, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, and the market is just about 3% up in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, I managed to gain 4% in value, which is quite good. Over the last day, 41%, over the week 47%, and over the month 40% up. We can see it dip, peak, but right now it's gone very high in value. So going into the coin market cap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 280% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $50 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Superfarm. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, 73% buy against 27% sell, so we can see a lot of people are investing into it, holding on to it, and potentially we still got a minority of the people selling the crypto and then potentially reinvesting into the crypto when it drops back down. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with a Fibonacci scale, which I'm currently drawing now, but I won't be using it right now. I'll use this later on in the video when I do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring back the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and we've got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Superfarm at 13 cents. However, we can see it's trading at much higher value at 18 cents, nearly 19 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as usual, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish, going in a positive direction, but doesn't look too realistic because they are looking very steep, guys. And the only reason why they are looking steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. So more or less it is likely to increase in value, but as I always say, guys, whenever a crypto does a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, the crypto has to take a little step back, he has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Superfarm. So I am expecting this crypto to take a little step back, potentially dropping below the 17 cents target over the next couple of hours, but doesn't mean we're not going to see any pumps. Of course we are going to see a pump up to about 20 cents, 22 cents over the next few hours, and drop back down as well. So it's going to be quite volatile, up and down. But the overall outcome, from my predictions so far, seems to slightly be more on the negative side. So towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting it to take a little step back. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we still got the blue line and the orange line looking very steep, going in a bullish direction. Exact same reason, but once again, I am not expecting to keep pumping up in value over the next couple of days. I am indeed expecting it to take a little step back and come back down in value. So by the end of next week, we should be back to around 15 to 16 cents, somewhere around there trading here. But again, that does not mean we are going to be hitting red candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's green, days when it's red, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue line and the orange line are now not looking too steep, which is very good. It looks looking much more realistic, but it's still going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. So an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late late August to early September, I'm expecting an overall increase on Superfarm, potentially heading to about the 30 to 35 cents target, or even 50 cents. But again, this all depends on how the crypto market performs in general. With any major crashes, major bull runs, so on and so on, can have a major impact on the value of Superfarm. And more or less, Bitcoin has a major impact on the crypto market, guys, because you probably know by now, when Bitcoin's pumping, we can see most cryptos are up as well. However, when Bitcoin is dropping in value quite heavily, most cryptos are also dropping as well. So for you guys to keep on top of things, and for you guys to make it easier for you guys, what I have done is created a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day, on what to expect, what to predict, where it's heading to, what price target is likely to hit. And I also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. So if you guys want to get involved, the link to my Telegram will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join the group chat. And guys, over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join before the offer ends. And also, guys, let's have a look at what this subscription exactly includes. So you're going to get put into two group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day, on what to expect, what to predict, so on and so on. And I also show you guys, you know, what you guys could potentially predict from different cryptocurrencies. So if someone's asked me, can I get an update on Solana and Ethereum, which I have done below, but obviously this is just a screenshot. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link to that will be in the description box down below. And now back to Superfarm we go. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring up the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see here, we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and we are not doing too great. As you can see, not only are we in the red zone, but we are in the lower part of the red zone, meaning we are not performing too well. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least $1.25, which we are way too far away from. We're going to have to go at least about 700 to 800% increase, which I'm not expecting from Superfarm anytime soon. So for most of this year and potentially most of next year, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter. As long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, we should be good. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Superfarm, guys. Let me know what your expectations are. How high or how low do you guys predict this crypto to go? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Superfarm update. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.